video I'm going to be painting a flowing sea that I saw on my visit to a little Greek island a few months ago. Before I begin, please follow me on Instagram and I'll follow you. My Instagram is gemma_ramji_art. And please follow me on Redbubble too. I took a lot of pictures of the water as I knew I was going to paint it in lots of different lighting. Using my normal art materials, which are Michael Harding oil paints, Liquin medium, 3 brushes and linen canvas by Winsor and Newton. The composition for this artwork was a still sea with lots of small little waves, so very relaxing to look at. To start, I'm blending the colours a lot on the canvas. This is to create subtle hues of colour rather than blocks of opaque colour. I find this works best as the sea has a lot of gentle nuances of tone. I use a large brush to do the first layer and then little brushes to do the fine detail. You may have seen in my other videos I used to use Liquin Fine Detail, however now I'm using Liquin Original. There's not much difference in application except you really have to shake it like mad before you use it. Even though there is some blue in the sea, there's obviously a lot of greenish yellow in it as well, so I wanted to add that to create a more realistic, as opposed to just painting really bright blues as I sometimes do when painting really tropical water. To make it sunny and happy, I wanted to try something a little bit more realistic. For the sky I used a mixture of turquoise and white, and for the sea foam I used white, sometimes mixed in with a little bit of burnt umber or yellow, just in case it's picked up some sand. When painting sea foam, I normally paint in the brownish yellow sand first, then I'll wait for it to dry and go on top of it with the white mixed in with Liquin, and then I'll go back to it and highlight the sand. So I kept going back to the painting just to sculpt the greenish waves. much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you again very soon.